Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best professional oven cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Easy Off Professional Fume-Free Max Oven Cleaner. Here is a great spray cleaner. If you want the best oven cleaner spray, well, this one get your back. However, this is not for you if you have a convection oven. It may discolor the insides of your oven, so the manufacturers don't recommend it. Food spills can cause the insides of an oven to harden and cake up. You can't scrub the oven vigorously to clean it without removing the protective layer. With the correct product on hand, removing stains and caking on food becomes simple, extending the life of an oven. This professional spray for oven cleaning removes minor stains as well as large spills, even if they have set and become a permanent part of your oven. This cleaning solution formula breaks down and loosens the crusted filth without hurting the oven's interior walls, and then you can simply wipe the gunk away. Number 2. Our second best pick is Easy Off Professional Oven and Grill Cleaner. Easy Clean is well known for making some of the best and most reliable cleaning agents. One such cleaning agent is this professional oven and grill cleaner. It is a heavy-duty spray that easily cleans tough baked food and grease stains. Although this is designed for commercial use, you can still use it for everyday spot cleaning. For example, it is ideal for cleaning the oven's interior surface, barbecue grills, and broiler pans. I'm sure you'd appreciate a heavy-duty oven cleaner that works as fast as possible. I told you this is among the best oven cleaners. It is. It only takes 3 minutes to spot clean the oven surface, grill grates, and even the oven rack. As much as this is a powerful oven cleaner, it also has some downsides you may want to note. First, it is not suitable for self-cleaning ovens. It contains toxic chemicals that may lead to chemical burns if you don't wear gloves while wiping it off. Also, keep working in a well-ventilated area as it has harsh fumes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Diversey Breakup Professional Oven Cleaner. If you enjoy baking and roasting, food accidents are inevitable. The trouble about these food spills is that you can usually only clean them after the oven has cooled down to avoid getting burned. As a result, the spill settles and becomes obstinate, blending in nicely with the oven's interior. As one-time cleaners, paste cleaners, and concentrated sprays are good, but for regular cleaning, you'll need a daily spray, something like this pack of Diversey Breakup Oven and Grill Cleaner. This spray is fume-free. This makes it easy to use as you don't have to move your oven to a more open area. This professional oven cleaner is an inexpensive spray cleaning that is CFC-free and environmentally friendly and works wonders on the insides of your oven. You don't have to wait for your oven to cool down fully because it can work on both hot and cold surfaces. You can get to work as long as it's cool enough not to cause any burns. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is 409 Heavy Duty Spray On Oven Cleaner. Another brand producing great heavy-duty oven cleansers is this one. This is an example of their product that you can use to get instant results. It cleans baked messes, grease and grime within 5 minutes of application. The best thing about it is that you can use it to deep clean your oven. Apply and let it sit overnight for best results. Using this cleaner is easy. All you need to do is apply it, let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe clean with a wet sponge or a piece of wet cloth. But, like most oven cleaners, this heavy-duty spray is not safe to use on hot surfaces. You can use it on self-cleaning ovens, but only when the function is turned off. This oven cleaner is for sure one of the best oven cleaners. It is multifunctional, and you can use it to clean the cooktop, grill, and even the entire oven. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Gadget Oven Cleaner. This is another trusted brand that ensures you keep your kitchen appliances and the oven clean by providing you with some of the best oven cleaners. It is highly efficient and works fast to dissolve food, spills, and baked on grease. You can use it to clean the oven interiors, grills, and other appliances. However, be careful not to use it on faux stainless steel or aluminum. This cleaner does not contain fumes or toxic chemicals, so it is safe to work with. This fume-free oven cleaner is safe for you and your oven as it does not harm your oven's surface. When applied, they stay in place. Foam clings, making it easy to work with them on vertical surfaces. A dirty oven can lead to excessive smoke billowing out, can add a charcoal taste to food, and is potentially hazardous. This oven cleaner is the #1 trusted brand for cleaning sticky, gummy, gooey messes. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.